Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Kune highest leqophe emlando lapha eJemistina la tigebengu tigubhi tunnel or a whole tunnel labeled la straight lapha emabhenki alaphana eFNB lalapha eJemistina bayishayele tunnel yayibafikisa straight ngilaba fika ba disconnecta khona ama-alamu bakhipha imali bashaya baqitha. So kuthiwa kutholakale le tunnel sigutsi nje lesikhulu semgodi lesi qonza straight laphana FNB. So these people bashaya clean job guys, abazange nje bafuna ukuthi babhome but because le drama nemehlo nokubukwa nokuriska, so bavele baqabanga kahle plan ukuthi bashaye kahle tunnel eqonza kuphi eFNB. I'm sure baplane lento lena guys isikhathi lesithe ka, because this is not an easy job. I'm sure like they took their time bayiqabanga le idea lena bayimasterisha bayibhala phansi baya khona lapha futhi FNB during the day abayobuka ukuthi le tunnel singayigubha so itophumela la guys boqwepheshe laba. And kuthiwa abakatholwa there are no leads, no evidence, no suspect, no nothing, and people are saying ukuthi hayi phela ciao, hayi phela ciao bathi nje uprofessor lena uyayada kabuthise kahle because hayi labafana boqwepheshe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out, so goodbye.